Okay, so the order is being announced now. I actually just muted it so that you can hear my voice. It's coming out at 8:14:25, which you can't actually see on the screen there, but you will in a minute. I'm going to try to put my order at 8:15, see if we can get a little bit behind the market, get a better price, see if we can actually take a little bit more profit from that. So we'll see if that can happen. There is a little, yeah, okay. I really just want to get into this trade, so there we are. Now, the first thing I need to do is set an average point. So we'll go right here, and then, okay. Now I'm going to put a closed position order that I can trail down manually when the time comes. When we get in to see some decent profits, where I can allow for some fluctuation to allow me to take more if the market will move that direction. So when we get past this support here, which I was just showing you, I'll bring that order down and we'll lock in some profit. I'm actually going to bring my average point a little bit closer to the buy point because of all of that support there. It wouldn't be a bad idea to actually even have a better position, but here we go. It looks like we're starting to break through that support a little bit, so I'm getting ready to drag my closed position order down so that I can cover myself, meaning I can either lock in a certain amount of profit or at least make sure that I'm not going to lose money. But again, I don't want to do that until I can see that after having done that, I'll still be able to allow for enough fluctuation in the market so that it doesn't just take me out right away with very little profit or at even. And you can see the pressures to the downside here, even though there's such a large level of support there at 813.75. As we start to bounce off 814, the market doesn't really go above that level, and I mean slowly, but for the amount of support that we see down there, the pressure is keeping the market's level very close to that support. So I really think we're going to begin to break through that. Okay, now it's beginning to happen, so I'm going to cover my position. I want to make sure I at least don't end up losing money with that kind of support there. It could force the market to reverse. Now, yeah, I'll take a little bit of profit. And then as the position develops into a more profitable range, I will manually trail my order down to capture, to ensure rather that we take more from the market than we have right now. So now it's about time to start moving this order down a bit. Again, I'm nervous to bring it too close to the market price because even as we were breaking through that support before, there's still support to be found underneath, as you can see. I don't want to get taken out before the move actually occurs. But on the same token, I don't want that support to force a reverse and then force me into a losing position. So capital preservation should be the #1 concern. Still, you can see there's tremendous support even as we're breaking through. But it's time now to take a little bit more from the market. I think we can really look to start inching down if we can break these supports as we just did the last. The fact that we haven't broken the support again is making me a little nervous that I'm going to get brushed out here. But even if I do, I will try to attempt to get back in. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to try to attempt to get back in again if the market goes back to the price I originally wanted to get in at, because I don't believe this trend is over, but this is it for the video. So I hope you enjoyed it.